Today we're gonna open the new Kinder eggs. Here's so this is the open. So it's gonna open it. So yes, and box. Then today, but not tomorrow because oh my god, it's hard to. Oh my god, it's so hard. No. Mommy! Mommy! Can you help me? Mommy! And now, there's the spoon. And this is the place. Because this is not heavy. It's like this. After, see this place. Oh my god. We have this. And sticker. Oh my god. It's Flash Girl. Yes. Bro, there are only two, so it's not. Oh, that's superhero too. So I already watched that. So no. With this, put the sticker in there. We're just gonna put the sticker in here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this. Oh my god. You're not. Guys. Why didn't it? So, I gotta eat the food now. Okay. Oh my god. Look. I never had this before Kinder Egg. So I just found it because I saw it in YouTube and then I remember and yes. I got this. Mami, nag-vlog ako. Later. Okay, later we'll do this. This is their spoon, so I think this. Their spoon because this is so small. So I'm gonna take this one. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh, oh my god. Okay guys, I'll get the one ball. Okay, now I'm get the two balls. And so if It tastes like lemon. I'm just gonna eat the chocolate first. And now the white one. It's so good. The white tastes like matcha milk. This is my mom. This is okay. This is not my house, but I lived here before. And now I live in the Rangon Valley. It's really so good. I like matcha. But I like halo-halo very good, but I don't like the halo-halo. So I just eat bananas. Halo-halo. Okay, my mom where's my dog is? My law's not here, so she's in the tala. My dog cat is in the tala too. I'm living here now. Okay, I'm just 4. Look at that. Good. Where are you going, Mommy?
May nagluluto ako eh.
I'll just. Pancit Canton! So my have, what do you call that? A basketball. So we're late. My mom is late. Okay guys, so we're all done. So I'm just gonna clean the bed. So later I'll show you how to bed. Okay, bye bye.